Hello students, I am Vikal. Today we will study about a new topic, The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov. First of all, I tell you about the main characters before going the explanation of the chapter. There are four main characters named as Margie, a 11-year-old girl. Next character is Tommy, who is 13-year-old boy. Third character is County Inspector, who usually detect the fault of the mechanical teacher. And the fourth character is Margie's mother. Now listen the explanation of this chapter carefully so that you can understand what is in this chapter and what about you are going to study. The Fun They Had is a story which is in light mood, written in a light manner and set up in the future. In this story, you will learn the importance of going to school, importance of the books, education and so on. So this story opens when Margie, who is the pivot of this story, and writing the diary entry of her own, in which he reminds about the old books which were used by the grandfathers of them. Them means he is the one more character. We talk about Tommy. Both of them talked about the old books, how at the time of the grandfather goes to schools, how they study and so on. Now in this story it is told that Margie and Tommy both lived in the year of 2157. This is a modern world, modern time we can say, in which students learn from e-book. Each and every matter of the book is programmed and feed in the computer, and students learn their subject from their home itself. So one incident is mentioned in this chapter. As you can know, the books or the program which were feed in the mechanical teacher is according to the level of the student. So one geography subject incident happened in this chapter, that Margie, when studied the geography subject, she became worst and worst in the geography subject. This all incident noticed by her mother. Her mother was very much puzzled about it. So she took her to County Inspector and told about the problem. County Inspector heard. Then he checked the program of the geography subject. He came to know that the level of the subject, your program, was not according to the level of the student. That means according to Margie. So he put the label of the subject's program according to the level of the Margie, and then she was able to do good for herself. Now we can see Margie and Tommy, as they found the old book. Starting we say Margie used to hate to go to school and also hate about the books to study, because the letters of the book are stable, and when they study from the mechanical teacher they are not stable, and they are in a moving condition. But when he came to know about the fun, how to go to school, how to study, how to cooperate with each other, and all the things made her realize that we should go to school and can study well in the school by the due cooperation with each other. So my dear, this is the explanation of the chapter which I explained before you. Now just have a look. I am showing you something. This is the main character which I told you earlier, and this is the expression for your facility that you can understand what it told. Now these are some difficult words. This will be helpful for you for study the chapter here. Okay? Now I am giving you some homework. Some 5 questions are there which you have to solve in your copy. Okay students, here I am closing my class and will continue with next topic in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.